So my name is Emma Naluyima. I'm a vet by profession. I'm a farmer. I'm a mother and wife, and I'm an educator. I sat down for a year when I gave birth to premature twins, and I needed to look after them.
Hi guys, in today's video, let's look at the story of this successful woman. I believe it's going to inspire a certain lady out here. Maybe you have been thinking you can't do anything, you're a housewife. Listen to Dr. Emma's story and it's going to be an inspiration to you. Stick around. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing.
And as I was trying to put food on my table, I became successful. I kind of became an icon in farming, and people came to me for advice. Very nice. You don't need sugar actually. So I found out that there's a need that I needed to work on. That's why we put a school.
Yeah, from a housewife to a millionaire, she asked her father for a piece of land and everybody laughed at her. Everyone thought she was mad. Just listen to her.
After 2 years, I left my workplace and asked my dad for a piece of land. I think I was 26 years old, and then every person thought I was mad. My mom literally prayed for me.
And guys, she's earning a lot of money from just 1 acre of land. She inspires us as wives to start up something of our dream. Listen to her.
In a quarter an acre, with the pigs, I will earn about 60,000 US dollars. And then with the chickens, I earn between 1,200 to 2,000 US dollars a year. With the cattle, I earn about 1,000 to 1,500. Matoke, every month, I get about 300 US dollars.
And so I asked myself, how does this lady manage all these businesses? And here is what she has to say.
Between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m., I'm a farmer. Between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m., I'm a mother and a wife. Between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m., I'm a vet. And between 6 p.m. and 4 a.m., I'm a mother and a wife. How do I do all this? It's very simple. That's what I'm going to give you, and that's what I'm going to show you here today.
She didn't really wait to have all the land, She believes in doing anything you can with just the little that you have. She also uses technology. She tries out things in a modern way. I believe we can learn a thing or two from her.
So that's the beauty about using technology, that you look at your problem. If my problem is land, how best can I utilize this piece of land? And for us, we believe it's not how much land you have, but how you utilize whatever piece of land you have. If farming is the backbone of Africa, or of Uganda, and then people start farming at a late age, then there's something wrong. So that's when I decided to start up a school. It's a primary school based on agriculture, and the things you learn best are things you learn when you're young.
So, fellow women, the day is today. Let's wake up like Dr. Emma did. We can also do it. Yeah, let's wake up from our comfortable zones and start up something. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.